up, Daddy? So delicious.
Welcome back. I'm sorry it took so long, but we back.
That shit is crazy, Quest.
We moving right along. We got Quest 21 on the beat. All right, let's get right to it. Lobster, oodles, and noodles. We had lobster in the house, and we had oodles and noodles. I said, let's just put two and two together. Let's create a magic. Let's get right to the ingredients. We got bok choy, fresh bok choy, fresh green onion, fresh garlic, Louisiana seasoning, olive oil, magic seafood, black and magic, lobster base, fried chili and oil, oyster sauce, garlic oil, garlic butter, vegetable broth, and of course, some fresh lobster. Look at the lobster moving. Look at him. Fresh lobster. Don't get no fresher than that. Get about 8 or 9 cloves of garlic. Slice it very thin, and then we're going to mince it all the way down. Remember, take your time when you're chopping. Don't chop your fingers off. Get 1 large onion, chop in half, and then thinly slice. After you slice it thin, slice in half. Same thing with the other half. This right here is a white onion. Finish chopping, put it to the side. We got the fresh bok choy. You want to clean your bok choy. Slicing it vertically first, cutting off the end, and then just getting a nice rough chop towards the top. In a quart pan, get your water, and about 3/4 of the container of the vegetable broth. You're gonna go ahead and just put inside some regular water. You're gonna boil the water, turn the temperature to high. When it's ready, go ahead and put the babies in. Woo! They're going for a little swim. It's okay to go ahead and have the rubber bands on with them, cause we're not gonna eat any type of the shell or anything like that, so it's fine. I don't want nobody to get their hands clipped off with the lobster. Smell that. I can smell it in the air. You're gonna boil the lobster for about 20 minutes. Rule of thumb, you want your lobster to always be orange. Bright in color when you remove it. After about 20 minutes, take your lobster out, and now we're gonna get all the meat from the claws. Right here we got the tail and we have the claw of one lobster. Get some kitchen shears, cut down the middle, and remove the meat. You also want to rinse off the meat and get the excess waste from it. Make sure that you break it and get the claw meat all the way out. Sometimes you have to use a knife and break it down a little bit, but you're gonna get it out. Come out. There we go. Get all your meat. You wanna get some rough chops, because we're gonna saute this lobster later. Ooh, look at that meat. Look at that lobster meat. That lobster meat a little different. Cut a half of a red pepper, rinse, wash, and get a good thin slice. Check the knife skills out. Watch your hands, watch your fingers. Take your time. Set them to the side. Remember, get your noodles in the boiling water. You're gonna cook the noodles for 3 minutes. You don't want to overcook your noodles. You want the crinkly kind of noodles. You don't want to overcook them. As they're cooking, get a fork and just stir them around. It don't really matter what pack you use, because we're not using any seasoning in the inside of the pack. I wouldn't be here on YouTube trying to show you guys how to make lobster noodles if I was going to tell you just to go ahead and use the seasoning that's in the pack. We're not doing that. In a frying pan, get some olive oil, medium heat. I was just trying to see if y'all was here with me. I'm waiting on y'all. All right, stir in the olive oil. Add the peppers and onions. You're gonna saute these onions for about 4 minutes on medium-high heat. Get some fresh ground black pepper. Can't go wrong with it. Just give it a little shake. Cover it for the last 3 minutes. In the same pan, get your bok choy. You want to saute the bok choy around. You want to loosen up the bok choy. It's kind of like the same consistency of spinach to some degree, but they have a little hardier veins. Add a little garlic oil. I don't know if you can find the garlic oil somewhere. But yeah, it's gonna enhance this flavor tremendously. I'm gonna add a little Mr. Magic black and red fish seasoning to the bok choy. This is after about 4 to 5 minutes. Smell that. All right, in the same pan, about a half of a tablespoon of garlic butter. Add in your lobster meat. We're gonna get a nice, good saute going. Cause it wouldn't be oodles, noodles, and dry lobster. No. We gotta make sure that this lobster is amazing. I can smell that. More garlic butter. Smell of vision, smell that. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. We need everybody to come and tune in. That smell is amazing. Amazing. All right, add a little of your Louisiana seasoning. You can add Cajun seasoning, Louisiana seasoning, Old Bay, whatever you have. But if you want this type of flavor, try to go ahead and find the same ingredients that I'm using. Louisiana seasoning, maybe you go to a local farmer's market and just find some Louisiana seasoning. Give it a good shake, shake, shake. Same pan, more garlic butter. We're about to make the sauce. This is it. So I say this is 2 tablespoons of the garlic butter. If you can't find garlic butter, you gotta make it. Get some butter, get some garlic, get some parchment paper, and put it in the refrigerator. All right, that was a teaspoon of lobster base. You're gonna stir in that with the garlic butter. This is on medium-low heat. You don't want the butter to brown. Add in a tablespoon of minced garlic. This is fried chili and oil right here. This is about a tablespoon and a half. Look at that flavor. Look at that flavor. Check that flavor out. About a half a cup of vegetable broth. Stir it around. Get the flavor, get the flavor, get the flavor. All right, those noodles that we had on the side, it's time to bring them in. Add about 1 pack of the noodles to the sauce. Just stir them around, That's it. This flavor is so bold and it's unique. It's very simple, but very delicious. Get comfortable in the kitchen. This is for anybody that want to learn how to cook. Let's plate it. Add in the bok choy. Stir in the bok choy. Stir him around. Get your lobster shell. Get your noodles. Get your lobster that you got. Get ready for the dish. This right here is so simple, but it's so delicious. I pray that each and every one of you guys take the time out and make this lobster and noodle dish. Simple. Of course, we have the Bel Air in the back, black on. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe and share. We coming, but we need you guys' help. From my kitchen to yours, signing out. Thanks for tuning in with Striker Eats.